cryptocurrency market was traded higher on Monday. According to CoinMarketCap, the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies bounced back to $448 billion. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, spiked 8.29% to $10,284 in the early trading on Monday. The price of Bitcoin fell below $10,000 during the weekend, but it soon recovered. Other major cryptocurrencies also traded higher on Monday. Ethereum rose 4.51% to $871.60 and it now has a market value of $85 billion. Ripple, the third largest digital currency by market cap, also posted a small gain of about 3% on Monday. Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. OTC, BLKCF, MGT Capital Investments, Inc. OTC, MGTI, NXTID, Inc., Nasdaq, NXTD, Bitcoin Investment Trust, OTC, GBTC, High Blockchain Technologies Limited, OTC, HVBTF. More firms started to provide cryptocurrency trading service. On Monday, cross-border currency exchange company Circle announced to acquired Poloniex, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. Circle said in a statement that they envision robust multi-sided distributed marketplace that can host tokens which represent everything of value, physical goods, fundraising and equity, real estate, creative production such as works of art, music and literature, service leases and time-based rentals, credit, futures, and more. Last week, investing app Robinhood also announced it rolling out its cryptocurrency trading in 5 U.S. states, including California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire. Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. OTC, BLKCF, also listed on the Canadian Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BLOC. Just announced breaking news today that it is pleased to provide, due to a high level of investor inquiry, a further detailed explanation of what shareholders of record at the close of market on March 1, 2018, the record date, will receive, as well as an overview of the parts that form the sum of Global Blockchain. In order to be a shareholder of record on March 1, 2018, shares would have to be purchased by no later than the close of market on February 27, 2018. As a result of the stock split, the shareholder will own double the amount of GBT shares and the equivalent number of Global Blockchain Mining Corp. Blockchain mining shares post-split and spin-out. On March 1, 2018, all shareholders of record at the close of business will also be entitled to vote on the spin-out, for which the company is seeking shareholder approval at the annual general and special meeting on April 10, 2018. The company has applied to the CSE to reserve fork as the stock symbol for blockchain mining in anticipation of the spin-out receiving shareholder and all regulatory approvals. Upon such approvals being granted, it is anticipated that fork will commence trading on the CSE in late April 2018. Rationale for stock split and spin-out, Shidden Goran, president of GBT stated, Global Blockchain reviewed its activities and identified that it was not achieving, in its view, sufficient, pure-play, market value for its different and unique businesses, each housed within GBT. Most notably and distinctly, these verticals are 1. The investment in or incubation and creation of new blockchains, ICOs and tokens specifically in partnership with leading brands that have large, captive user bases, and or in collaboration with industry participants whose principal areas of business truly merit and benefit from decentralization and the blockchain, and 2. The mining of cryptocurrencies in order to provide investors with access to existing known and blue-chip currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum through the deployment of hardware and associated infrastructure that can mine these coins by performing the function of verifying and validating transactions as trustworthy through the processing of difficult cryptographic problems that require tremendous amounts of computational power to solve. This allows exposure at a fraction of the cost of ownership and speculative risk achievable via retail purchase at current price levels. Looking at the value of our company versus the comparable listed universe, who for instance only act as miners, it became obvious that comparable companies on Canadian exchanges on every metric including the below were being rewarded with much greater valuations. 1. MW of power available for operations in favorable jurisdictions, and 2. Total computing power for mining. The disparity in valuation, in the view of management, meant that either the value of our investment and incubation vertical was being ignored, or the value of our mining vertical was being ignored. The spin-out is an effort to not only simplify our story for investors but more critically to unlock this overlooked value by splitting the company into two publicly traded entities, each with their own major individual and important business focus. The stock split is an effort to enhance future liquidity for both companies. In a sea of new listings of companies attempting to hijack the newfound popularity of blockchain, capital must continue to flow to those companies with the strength, tools and ability to endure and to prosper. With over $60 million raised to date, as well as the leadership of a world-class team of industry pioneers, the company believes that it is and will continue to be an important first mover, carrying out its business plans as further described below, each of which intent on creating significant, rapid and lasting value for shareholders and having a major impact on the emerging importance of blockchain and cryptocurrencies for governments, industries, businesses, and individuals globally. Go-forward entity, Global Blockchain Technologies Business. The assets that will continue in block comprise our investments, agreements, partnerships and independent in-house initiatives to create and incubate internet-scale public blockchains, enterprise solutions, tokens and ICOs. While specifics will be announced over the coming weeks, an overview of the venture domains for the company's current projects are either in progress, in development, or under late-stage negotiation include trade finance in conjunction with major state actors, enterprise peer-to-peer storage solutions, Ethereum Howard fork with features that enhance it as a global payment rails solution, the laser blockchain, tokenization of three incumbent gaming networks with over 200 million users including functionality for both esports and gambling, decentralized marketplace for big data geared towards the multi-trillion-dollar IoT industry, peer-to-peer fully decentralized lending marketplace built on the laser blockchain, securitization platform for artworks including music, video and brands in partnership with some of the world's most recognizable artists, brands and studios, something not possible before the advent of blockchain, launch of an exchange federated on the Stellar network with leading forex and remittance partners to be announced, launch of a cryptocurrency exchange with state backing. In addition, the company continues with its collaboration on and monetization of existing strategic equity and eco-investment holdings and is currently reviewing over half a dozen new partnerships including final stage discussions on an investment into a genetics-to-sale cannabis blockchain platform. Shidon Goran noted, with these exciting projects which create fundamentally industry-shifting and disrupting impact to the benefit of the public and commercial parties, Block is intent on being a shaping force on the application of blockchain to existing economies and markets. Block will retain a principal-level percentage of interest at either zero cost to maximum discount, which bodes extremely favorably for the development, if as and when, of notable mark-to-market and monetizable net asset value for global blockchain shareholders. MGT Capital Investments, Inc. OTCQB, MGTI, announced this month that it has executed a new purchase order with Bitmain Technologies for 1,000 S9 Antminer mining rigs, with shipment expected in March 2018. Also, the company purchased and has received an additional 1,000 new S9 Antminers from a third party. Following shipment and setup, and in conjunction with the company's current rigs in operation or undergoing deployment, MGT's cryptocurrency mining operations will be comprised of over 7,000 Bitmain S9s plus 50 GPU-based Ethereum miners. Notwithstanding the recent weakness in Bitcoin pricing, our operating efficiency and debt-free balance sheet allow MGT to grow and generate substantial free cash flow. This swift sell-off will solidify our standing as a world-class leader in crypto mining. Moving forward, we are extremely confident of our further expansion opportunities, stated Stephen Schaefer, president of the company's Crypto Capital Strategies business unit. NXTID, Inc. Nasdaq, NXTD, recently announced that its wholly owned subsidiary FitPay, Inc. is now accepting pre-orders for Flip, a new contactless payment device that will enable cryptocurrency holders to use the value of their currency to make purchases at millions of retail locations. The new device, which was announced earlier this month, uses value exchange from cryptocurrency to make traditional payment transactions. Flip represents an exciting expansion of the FitPay payment platform by connecting cryptocurrencies to the payment ecosystem, said Michael Orlando, CEO of NXTID and president of FitPay, Inc. We founded FitPay to fundamentally change the payment experience, and making contactless payments with cryptocurrency is a big step toward that goal. Bitcoin Investment Trust, OTCQX, GBTC, on February 7 announced that the sponsor of the Co-0p Many, Grayscale Investments, LLC, the launch of a new investment vehicle, the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund LLC, the fund. The fund intends to hold the top digital assets by market capitalization that meet Grayscale's fund construction criteria in a market capitalization weighted portfolio. A trusted authority on digital currency investing, Grayscale has assets under management of $1.31 billion. We're excited to further expand the universe of Grayscale's product offerings as interest in the digital currency asset class continues to grow, said Barry Silbert, CEO of Grayscale. He continued, as a trusted and experienced manager, Grayscale is committed to creating investment structures that are familiar to qualified investors and provide secure access to this emerging asset class. Hive Blockchain Technologies Limited, OTC, HVBTF, earlier in January reported the completion of the first phase, Sweden Phase 1, of a multi-phase build-out of a large-scale GPU-based mining complex in Sweden. HIVE's Sweden Phase 1 operation commenced mining Ethereum on January 15, 2018 and increases the company's energy consumption dedicated to cryptocurrency mining by over 175% to 10.6 megawatts. Hive is fully financed to add an additional 13.6 megawatts of GPU mining capacity in Sweden by April 2018 and a further 20.0 megawatts of ASIC mining capacity, facilities capable of mining Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash by September 2018. I am delighted to launch HIVE's largest and most advanced mining facility to date in Sweden, another stable, cold climate jurisdiction with access to abundant green energy, to further capitalize on rising cryptocurrency prices, said Harry Pokrant, CEO and director of Hive. Subscribe now. Watch us report live https://www.youtube.com/financialbuzzmedia. Follow us on Twitter for real-time financial news updates. https://twitter.com/financialbuzz. Follow and talk to us on Instagram. https://www.instagram.com/financialbuzz. Facebook. Like us to receive live feeds. https://www.facebook.com/financialbuzz/about. financialbuzz.com. financialbuzz.com, a leading financial news informational web portal designed to provide the latest trends in market news, investing news, personal finance, politics, entertainment, in-depth broadcasts on stock news, market analysis and company interviews. A pioneer in the financially driven digital space, video production and integration of social media, financialbuzz.com creates 100% unique original content. financialbuzz.com also provides financial news, PR dissemination, branding, marketing and advertising for third parties for corporate news and original content through our unique media platform that includes newswire delivery, digital advertising, social media relations, video production, broadcasting, and financial publications. Please note, financialbuzz.com is not a financial advisory or advisor, investment advisor or broker-dealer and do not undertake any activities that would require such registration. The information provided on http://www.financialbuzz.com, the site, is either original financial news or paid advertisements provided exclusively by our affiliates. Sponsored content. financialbuzz.com, a financial news media and marketing firm, enters into media buys or service agreements with the companies which are the subject to the articles posted on the site or other editorials for advertising such companies. We are not an independent news media provider and therefore do not represent a warrant that the information posted on the site is accurate, unbiased or complete. financialbuzz.com receives fees for producing and presenting high-quality and sophisticated content on financialbuzz.com, along with other financial news PR media services. financialbuzz.com does not offer any personal opinions, recommendations or biased commentary, as we purely incorporate public market information along with financial and corporate news. financialbuzz.com only aggregates or regurgitates financial or corporate news through our unique financial news wire and media platform. For Global Blockchain Technologies Corp., financial news dissemination and PR services, FinancialBuzz.com has been compensated $4,000 by Winning Media. Our fees may be either a flat cash sum, a negotiated number of securities of the companies featured on this editorial site, or a combination thereof. The securities are commonly paid in segments, of which a portion is received upon engagement and the balance is paid on or near the conclusion of the engagement. FinancialBuzz.com will always disclose any compensation in securities or cash payments for financial news PR advertising. FinancialBuzz.com does not undertake to update any of the information on the editorial site or continue to post information about any companies. The information contained herein is not intended to be used as the basis for investment decisions and should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation. The information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold or sell of a security. FinancialBuzz.com members and affiliates are not responsible for any gains or losses that result from the opinions expressed on this editorial site, company profiles, quotations or in other materials or presentations that it publishes electronically or in print. Investors accept full responsibility for any and all of their investment decisions based on their own independent research and evaluation of their own investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial condition. FinancialBuzz.com. By accessing this editorial and website and any pages thereof, you agree to be bound by the terms of use and privacy policy, as may be amended from time to time. None of the content issued by FinancialBuzz.com constitutes a recommendation for any investor to purchase, hold or sell any particular security, pursue a particular investment strategy, or that any security is suitable for any investor. This publication is provided by FinancialBuzz.com. Each investor is solely responsible for determining whether a particular security or investment strategy is suitable based on their objectives, other securities holdings, financial situation needs, and tax status. You agree to consult with your investment advisor, tax and legal consultant before making any investment decisions. We make no representations as to the completeness, accuracy or timeliness of the material provided. All materials are subject to change or without notice. Information is obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but its accuracy and completeness are not guaranteed. For our full disclaimer, disclosure and terms of use, please visit http://www.financialbuzz.com. Media contact, info@financialbuzz.com 1-877-601-1879 URL, http://www.financialbuzz.com Source: FinancialBuzz.com.